Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to the AI Plug, the place where I show you the craziest AI tools that save time, make money, and honestly, make your life way easier. Today, I'm breaking down 10 AI tools that are blowing up in 2025. And let me warn you, number 7 might actually replace your assistant. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's dive in. First up, we've got ChatGPT's Deep Research mode. You've probably used ChatGPT for basic questions and answers, but now it can actually browse the web for you, pull data from multiple sources, and give you a clean, cited summary. For example, I asked it to research the best AI productivity tools for entrepreneurs, and in just 2 minutes, it gave me a full report that would have taken me hours to compile manually. Seriously, if you're still Googling everything yourself, you're wasting time. Next up is Pika Labs, an AI video generator. You just type in a prompt, like a cat dancing in space, and it instantly creates a short video for you. No editing, no camera, no actors, just pure AI magic. If you're a creator who wants eye-catching content fast, this one's a total game changer. Tool number 3 is Opus Clip. This genius tool turns your long videos into viral shorts automatically. It adds captions, makes jump cuts, and even highlights the best, most engaging moments. Imagine uploading a 20-minute video and getting 5 perfectly snackable shorts in under 5 minutes. That's literally free promotion on autopilot. Number 4, Gamma. App is your AI presentation buddy. You type a prompt like, pitch deck for a startup that sells eco-friendly sneakers, and it builds a full presentation complete with visuals, text, and structure. No more staring at blank slides for hours. Gamma's got your back. Everyone loves Notion, right? Well, now with Notion AI, it's like having a personal assistant right inside your notes. It writes, organizes, and even plans for you. Need a content calendar, a project plan, or a quick summary of a long document? It's done in seconds. Ever wanted a professional voiceover without hiring a voice actor? That's 11 Labs. It can mimic voices, read scripts with natural-sounding intonation, and make your audio sound incredibly professional. This is perfect for podcasts, videos, or even audiobooks. Okay, this one is insane. Cascade AI is basically your team assistant. It organizes tasks, generates outlines, and even writes copy. I tried it for a small project. It managed my tasks, assigned priorities, and suggested the next steps to take. Honestly, it might replace your assistant. Tool number 8 is Ideogram AI. You just type in your idea, and it creates stunning, professional-looking graphics from scratch. No design skills are required at all. For creators or entrepreneurs, this is pure gold. Just type, tweak, and boom. You have professional visuals in seconds. Next, we have Runway ML. This is AI video editing at a Hollywood level. You can remove backgrounds, add special effects, or even generate entire scenes from text. You don't need to know After Effects. It handles all the heavy lifting for you. And last but not least, Perplexity AI. Think of it as a search engine that actually answers your questions instead of just giving you a list of links to sift through. Need fast, accurate info? Perplexity AI does the research and summarizes it for you instantly. It's a game changer for entrepreneurs and students alike. So here's the takeaway. AI isn't T just for tech nerds anymore. It's S for you. Creators, entrepreneurs, students, everyday people. These tools can save you hours every single week, and even make your work or content better. If you want me to do a deep dive into one of these tools, comment which one down below, and I'll test it live in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you stay plugged in. Because here on the AI Plug, I make AI make sense, and maybe even make you some money. See you in the next one.